Hey guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back. Today is a really exciting day because we are celebrating 50,000 YouTube subscribers. You guys have helped us grow so tremendously and we are so grateful. So we are giving you guys a freebie download. It is some book fussy cuts, these cute little fussy cuts here. And we're going to be making a craft with these today. So the link for this will be in the description box, the video description down below. So go get those for yourself. And then these match our garden library kit. And this was actually a collaboration kit that we did with Victoria Designs. And she has a sister kit in her shop that matches this. And we recently did a video and released those kits. So be sure to check that out. But today we're going to be using this freebie and we're going to be making a cute little kind of like hidden collage pocket. So I'll show you how we're going to do that in just a minute. But again, I just want to say thank you for 50,000 subscribers. We're super excited about that, super blessed and happy. And we just can't wait to share more crafting adventures with you guys. So thank you for following our channel. All right, let's get started. Okay, so to begin with, I cut these out on my Cricut. And if you're wondering how to fussy cut on Cricut, we have a tutorial for that. I'll go ahead and put a link to that down below as well. And then what we're gonna do is just a little bit of layering. I chose this page because it has a book stack on it, which kind of matches these book stacks. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to layer these to create a little pocket, and then we're gonna hide our tags kind of as part of the pocket. So I'm going to do just some little layout here and try to decide kind of what works best for this. And my goal is to create some sort of layered little pockets here that are kind of hidden in the collage. And you can just play around till you get a look that you like. And I kind of like this. So I'm gonna try to remember how I did this. Start with these two and just kind of glue them together. Like this. And then I'm going to use these to create a little pocket kind of over the top of this. So I want to move this up just a little bit. I think like right about here is where I'm going to glue this first piece. So I'm going to glue just along the side a little bit and the bottom a little bit to create kind of a little tuck spot pocket. This isn't an exact science, it's just kind of a guess at how I want to do this. And then I'm going to leave room kind of at the bottom here for my next layered pocket. Oops, and I want to make sure I can fold my page closed. Don't want to get on the crease here. Okay. And then my next pocket I'm going to create using these smaller pieces. I think just kind of one over the next. So I'll put a little glue on here. Add this one. And then I'll put a little glue on here and add this one. And then again, I'm just going to add some glue kind of to the side and bottom of this and create a little kind of tuck spot pocket. And you can see we're getting kind of a collage look here. And then we can add our little tags. I'm gonna go ahead and glue this little butterfly on here. I kind of like him for this piece. That dry a minute, and then I think I like this butterfly over here. It adds a little bit of depth, and I might even just raise his wings a little bit and just kind of glue him on like this right in the middle here. And this will tuck in kind of back here. And I think I can go ahead and glue this side down. So I'm going to do that. A little bit of glue back here. And maybe this side as well. There we go. And now we've got this cute little kind of collage, and you can almost like not really tell what part is the tag, but here they are, just right here. And you can see it's got kind of a cute little layered effect. Okay, that was quick and simple. Thanks for following along, guys, and we hope you enjoy this freebie. Thank you again for getting us to 50,000 subscribers. We're so excited and we're so glad to have you here, and we just can't wait to craft with you some more. So thank you again, and we'll see you guys next time.